So how to claim a username on Locket app. So here's Locket app, and when I just updated it, I just see this button to claim username. So now I just try to do it. Pick wisely, you won't be able to change username again. And then I just you can just decide. Then you can just go and save it, and then you can just your friends can now add you by searching for your username. So that's what it is, and that's now you have your username, and now you can just use it, and your friends can you can search friends, I guess, by username. So something like that. So add by username. So there you have it.